At Savvy's house, and look at his golden rainbow. There he is.
See the face.
Oh, hold on. We're taking a tour. Sorry. Well, this is. Oh, here is another air layer, and look at all the thickets of the beaver crop on the golden rainbow.
It's main.
Oh, this is the main?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Correction. Main. He's the boss. He knows. So yeah, he makes so many beautiful air layers, and this is the normal size of the leaf of the golden rainbow. But let's go back. Right here. My God, this is huge. You know.
It also was in the greenhouse.
It was in the greenhouse. There you go. See, so greenhouse does play a difference, but look at, if you put it in a big pot, this is about a 20 gallons, I think, and it is so prolific. Look how beautiful, how fast it grows, and you can air layer off of it. All right, signing out.